Hi, thank you so much for joining me today. We're actually going to go through Gmail. I hope this is very helpful to you. If you're frustrated with trying to learn the different apps within Gmail, have no fear. This is one of the places you want to come to kind of learn how to navigate through Gmail and the great apps they have to offer within their platform. So one of the things that my father has asked me to do is to show him how to operate Google Forms. He owns a small business and he sent out evaluations and surveys before, but he wants to digitize them. So this is a great way to get started. He does have a Gmail account, so we're going to start with Gmail. And this is just a regular account. It has your updates, your promotions, social, and primary. But what we're going to go to is the very corner. So in this very top right corner, you're going to click on that. Those are your Google apps. Now, today we're going to focus on Google Forms. So if you click on more, if you don't see Google Forms or Docs, just click on more and then it'll come up with even more apps on this platform. Since Forms hasn't been used too much, sometimes it comes up as a separate icon. You're going to click on Docs. Once you click on Docs, there's going to be 3 lines to the left of the icon in the upper left corner. So if you click on that, you can see a drop down and it's going to give you slides, sheets, docs, and forms. Today we're going to focus on forms. So if you go to Forms, you're going to see, these are some past forms that I've done previously, but you're going to see where it says start a new form. You can start a blank form. You can work from a template. If you click on these arrows, you have a drop down that gives you even more templates. So let's say we wanted to have an event for the small business, right? And you want to collect that data to see who's going to come and kind of prepare for that. So you would click on that, and what's really cool about these is you can go ahead and edit these any way you want to. So let's say if you wanted not just name, but what if you wanted the first and last name? Just click on it and then type in what you wanted to edit, right? Let's say you also are looking through this form and it's just going to be a one-day event, so you may not want this. You can click here, click on the little trash can, and it'll delete that one for you. So let's say now that you're all done and you're ready to send this to your recipients. You're just going to click here in the top right corner on send. And then if you're going to email that, you could actually enter in individual emails to and then send it. But you can also click here in the middle where you can get the link, and you just copy the link and you can go ahead and paste that into your email and then copy that link to send out via text. You can copy and paste it and enter in all your emails and send a mass email to clients, whichever way that you choose to invite. And so that's a really quick way of using Google Forms. Here, when you click on responses, once people start to answer those questions, you're going to see a really nice spreadsheet that comes out with all of the responses from your recipients to each question that you put on that survey or on that form that was sent out to your client. So hopefully this is a cool feature that's helpful for you, especially if you're someone who owns your own business and you want a quick, free way of sending out invites, forms, client intakes, anything along that line where you can collect that data and hopefully help your business to thrive using a free and accessible tool. Thanks again for your time. I hope this was helpful to you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.